there, little cowpokes. You snuck up on me. Didn't hear you coming because you're probably not wearing shoes right now at home, are you? Got your slippers on or your socks on. Maybe you're just bare feet. Sure are a sneaky little guy. I tell you what, I was just laying here and I was about to read one of my favorite books called Why Do Cowboys Sleep with Their Boots On? Well, now that you're here, why don't you stay and join me? Now, this here's a story written by Laurie, Lazzaro, Knowlton and illustrated by someone real special. He's from right here in Hamilton, Texas, and his name is Mr. James Rice. He's an incredible illustrator, and I'm so excited because I have this book that actually has his autograph in it. Now, an autograph is a signature by someone really special, and you keep things with their signature in it as a souvenir. So this book will always be special to me because of this right here, and because my own 3 little boys loved to read this book with me. Why Cowboys Sleep with Their Boots On. Slim Jim Watkins was one tired cowboy. Sliding out of his saddle, Slim Jim Watkins popped the dirt from his britches. Seemed like he'd lassoed and branded more than 1,000 longhorn. All of this didn't mind him much. He just wanted to go to bed. So, Slim Jim Watkins stripped off his clothes, all but his long johns, and crawled into his bedroll. No sooner did he lay his head on his cowboy hat than Slim Jim Watkins was sound asleep. Rise and shine, bellowed the chuck wagon cook. Slim Jim Watkins stretched and groaned and reached for his britches. My britches, they're gone. Slim Jim Watkins, he searched and searched, but he couldn't find his britches. This is enough to sour a man's outlook for the day. Grumbling, Slim Jim Watkins slipped his chaps over his long johns and went to work. Darn, griped Slim Jim Watkins, these long johns are wearing thin. I need my britches. So after a long day's work, Slim Jim Watkins went to town to buy new denim britches. Well, it was dark when Slim Jim Watkins rode back to camp. He was a mighty tired cowboy. His bedroll was a welcome sight. Slim Jim Watkins stripped off all his duds, well, all but his long johns and his new britches. Then he collapsed into his bedroll. No sooner did he lay his head on his hat than he was sound asleep. Shoo, 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 shoo. Rise and shine, roared the chuck wagon cook. Slim Jim Watkins stretched, yawned, and reached for his bandana. My bandana! It's gone! Slim Jim Watkins searched and searched, but could not find his bandana. Well, finally, he just went to work. Darn, growled Slim Jim Watkins. He coughed and choked from the dirt riled up by the cattle. I need my bandana. That night, Slim Jim Watkins traded a week's worth of dishwashing for the cook's bandana. After doing dishes, Slim Jim Watkins was one tired cowboy. Soon after, the chuck wagon cook clanged his pots together and yelled, "Rise and shine!" Slim Jim Watkins stretched and, my hat! Where is my hat? Slim Jim Watkins jumped to his feet. Frantically he searched, losing my britches And a bandana's one thing, but to lose my hat is something else again. Get to work, boomed the trail boss. So Slim Jim Watkins went to work without his hat. Darn, beefed Slim Jim Watkins when the blistering sun burnt his face. I need my hat. So Slim Jim Watkins rode into town to buy a hat. The smoke of the campfire rolled skyward to the stars as Slim Jim Watkins rode his weary horse into camp. Slim Jim Watkins was tired, a tired cowboy. Oh, is my bedroll gonna feel soft as a cow's underside tonight? Sitting beside his bedroll, Slim Jim Watkins started to pull off his boots. On second thought, he thought, I'm gonna sleep just the way I am. And he did. Boots and all. Hey y'all, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Melissa Craig and I am a theater arts teacher at Hamilton High School. Stay tuned because more Texas actors and company members, as well as their directors, are going to be posting children's books on here for you guys to watch. So, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh, look! Breakfast!